In this video, we will be installing ALA lighting high beam headlights on a 2019 Chevy Colorado. Starting on the passenger side, in order to gain access to the bulb housing on this side, we need to remove this cover. This is a Trox T15 screw. And there are 2 tabs we'll need to remove. Remove these tabs by pulling out the center, then prying it up by the side. There's another one over here behind this cable. Once you have removed both tabs, you can now take off the cover. Now pull back this second cover and you can reach the dust cover cap for this housing. Turn the dust cover cap counterclockwise and remove it. With the dust cover cap removed, you can now reach the bulb. Push the tab on the connector to disconnect it. Turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out of the housing. You can now install your new ALA lighting high-performance LED bulb. The LED chips on the new bulb are located in the same place as the filament on the old bulb to mimic the light output. The securing brackets are physically identical, and the same with the connectors. When you install the new bulb, you want to make sure the bulb is vertical within the housing, with the LED chips facing side to side. If it's not vertical, it can be adjusted by loosening the screw with the included Allen wrench. To install your new bulb, line up the tabs on the base with the tabs on the housing. Insert the bulb and turn it clockwise to secure it into place. Be sure to check the angle of the new bulb. It should be vertical with the LED chips pointing side to side. With your bulb at the correct beam angle, go ahead and connect the connector. Then take the excess cable and hide it inside the housing. Then put the dust cover cap back into position and turn it clockwise to secure it into place. Same process on the driver's side, except since there's no cover, access will be easier. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.